This video will walk you through turning on the new Gradebook in Canvas and give a short overview of its navigation features. After December 17, 2019, this process will be unnecessary because the new Gradebook will officially replace the current version. Start by going to Settings in your course located on the bottom left. By default, you will be on the Course Details tab. Click on Feature Options in the top middle. Now click on the radio button to the right of the new Gradebook option. This may look familiar if you have participated in an assessment at CGC, as this is also where you turn on the Learning Mastery Gradebook. Go back to Grades and see the difference. Now you have Gradebook, View, and Actions as menu items with various sorting features and options. Each assignment has a three-dot menu seen when you hover over the name next to the title with specific actions for each assignment. To find Speedgrader, you must click in a cell under the assignment heading that you wish to see, and then click on the rectangle with the arrow inside to open the grade detail tray. Muting has been replaced with grade posting policy, and there is an option for creating an automatic late posting policy in the setting wheel. Check out the other videos from the CTLA and the Canvas instructor guides using the bit.ly link, or go to community.canvaslms.com. As always, the CTLA is just a call, click, or walk away if you would like one-on-one instruction. Happy grading!